Look at those colors! Today I'm making iris ink. Before I get started, let me take a second to answer some fan mail. On my pigment and dye videos, sometimes I get comments like, what's the point of this? You know you can just buy pigment. It's not going to be as light fast as professional ink? Yes, true, definitely. Professional pigment is available and lasts much longer than homemade. So what is the point of this? Well, it's something philosophers call fun. For iris ink, you'll need iris flowers. Look at the color, just stunning. I leave them in the garden, only collect the ones that are done flowering. Every morning I go out into the garden to check on things, water what needs water, and collect spent iris flowers. I got 2 different colors out of the iris by using 2 different methods. So the first one, the lovely rich yellow color, you'll need a pot, preferably one that won't be used for preparing food anymore. Just handling the flowers stained my fingers, which is promising. To this I added baking soda. It's alkaline, which changes the pigment. From my experience, using an acid like citric acid turns blue to reddish pink color. So I was curious what an alkaline will do. Also, as always, I'm using alum as a fixative. Add both of those to the flowers, as well as some, not too much, water. Now put it on the stove on low heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes, to allow the flowers to release the pigment. To pass the time, I did some flower arranging. Aren't they pretty? Also, on the left of frame you can see the stack of books I balance my phone on when I'm filming. Back to the stove. Things have come to a boil and the color looks an absolute mess, but I forged on regardless. Now, I know I filmed it, but I cannot for the life of me find the footage. So, what happened was I took the pot off the heat, strained out the petals, and put the liquid in a jar. I mopped up the spillage with some kitchen roll and it dried to this beautiful yellow. I don't have any video evidence of this, but also, why would I lie? Second method, again, needed some iris flowers of course, and a blender. Again, preferably one that will not be used to make food later. Into the blender go the flowers and alum as a fixative. And this time I decided to try out neither acid nor alkaline, just a little water. Blend that up. I got so excited when I saw that gorgeous blue. Now strain. Okay, that would have taken ages, so I got out a piece of linen and squeezed out the liquid. Oh no, I blew myself. To make the blue usable as an ink, I'm adding gum arabic to thicken it and make it easier to use. Mix it up until all the chunks are gone. I could probably make something out of the petal mush, there's still so much color in there, but I didn't have any ideas at the time. If you have any tips, please leave them in the comments, it hurts so bad throwing that out. And that's how I got two extremely different colors from one flower. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe?